CASMI is the Chicago Association of Spring Manufacturers, Inc. SpringWorld by CASMI is the premier showcase of global exhibitors dedicated to the manufacturing companies in the spring and wire forming industry. SpringWorld is the single best opportunity for business owners to bring their team together to see the latest and greatest. You will be able to meet with buyers and engineers, quality and maintenance staff, operators and setup technicians, all of which have influence in their company's purchasing decisions.
My name is David Purcell. I'm the president of Wafios Machinery Corporation. Wafios is a global manufacturer of precision machines for wire, tube, and form parts. We look forward to the CASMI Spring Show every 2 years because of the exposure we get with our customers, and we use this show as a forum to present our new technologies. The leads and opportunities that we obtain and the discussions that we have with customers during the show typically help us fill our pipeline for the months and even half year or even a year after the show.
I am Mike Shapiro, president of Gibraltar Corp. We like coming to CASMI because it's a great central place where we get to see a lot of people in a very short period of time. It allows us to meet the customers as well as introduce our latest technology. We meet some new customers as well as some old customers, and we definitely sell machinery here at the CASMI show.
Hi, my name is Phyllis Rasmus. I represent Midwestern Rust Proof Company. Our company is located in Chicago, Illinois. We're a metal finishing company. We're here with SpringWorld, presented by CASMI, the Rosemont Convention Center. Our firm has been represented at CASMI for well over 30 years.
As an exhibitor at SpringWorld, there are many significant benefits. Expand your business by reaching your target market at one time and in one place. Meet and greet your current customers. Develop future prospects. And finally, showcase your business as a dedicated and loyal audience every other year.